How to create a new group on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a group on Snapchat so that you can chat and share your snaps with all of your friends at once. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you need to do is open up Snapchat on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you just want to head over to your chat section right here at the bottom. Once you land on the chat section, you'll have an option to create a new chat by tapping on this little pencil icon. Just tap on it, and here you will see an option to create a new group. You can chat up to 200 friends at once, so you can add up to 200 members in a group. So you can add a new group name right here. So just go ahead and add it. So I'm just going to add like a test group. Then you can add members to your group like this. And once you're done adding members from this group, you can just tap on chat with group. So as you can see here now, the new group has been successfully created. So as you can see, you can now chat with your friends like this and also send snaps from here. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you can just start sending snaps and messages, even bitmojis to keep everyone in the group active. And I'll see you guys on the next one.